Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever been on the hunt for a long-lasting, smudge-proof eye product that brings the right amount of shimmer without the mess, today's review might just be what you need. Eyeko has dropped something exciting, their Eyeko Spellbound Shimmer Eye Set. If you're someone who loves effortless glam but doesn't want to sacrifice durability, keep watching. And while you're here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on honest, in-depth beauty reviews like this one. Now let's talk about the Eyeko Spellbound Shimmer Eye Set. This 12.4 fluid ounce gem is all about creating that perfect, glistening eye look without the hassle of constant touch-ups. First off, it's designed to be fade-proof and smudge-proof, meaning it stays in place all day or night, no matter where you're headed. If you're looking for an eye product that you can rely on, this promises just that. No streaks, no fading, and definitely no smudging, even during a long workday or a night out on the town. So, what's inside the magic? The product is specially formulated to offer a glistening, high-shine finish that's perfect for a variety of occasions. Whether you're doing a natural, dewy look or adding that extra pop of shimmer for a night out, this set gives you the versatility to play with. The formula is smooth, easy to apply, and stays put once it sets, which is exactly what you want in a long-wear shimmer product. Now let's talk real-world use. I've been testing it for a while, and I've found that it's easy to incorporate into my daily routine. I applied it as an eyeshadow topper to give my eyes that extra sparkle. It feels lightweight, never heavy or sticky, which is something I love about it. Even after a full day of wear, the shimmer stayed in place with no creasing or fading. I did a little test to see how it handled sweat. Yes, real-life scenarios, and found that it lived up to its promises. I didn't have to do any touch-ups, which is a huge plus for anyone with a busy schedule. Let's dive into the pros and cons. On the pro side, the shimmer is beautifully pigmented, and you don't need a ton of product to get that perfect glow. It's also incredibly easy to apply and doesn't require a lot of blending, which is perfect for someone like me who loves quick and easy beauty routines. The formula is gentle on the skin, and I didn't experience any irritation, something I know can be a concern with some eye products. On the flip side, the only con I noticed was that the shimmer can be a little too much for someone looking for a very subtle, understated eye look. So, if you prefer a more natural-look matte finish, this product may not be your go-to. It's definitely made for those who want their eyes to shine. When it comes to value for money, considering the size, 12.4 thoughts, I'd say it's pretty decent. The longevity of the product and the fact that it's fade-proof and smudge-proof definitely justifies the price tag. If you're someone who's constantly on the go and needs a reliable shimmer that will last all day, this could be a worthwhile investment. The performance matches the price. I've also compared it to other similar products on the market, and honestly, Eyeko's Spellbound Shimmer Eye Set stands out in terms of its staying power and the richness of its shimmer. Some other shimmer products I've tried tend to fade quickly or require constant reapplication, but this one held up beautifully throughout my day. In terms of value, it's competitive with other high-end shimmer products, but without the need for constant touch-ups. The packaging is sleek and functional, not too bulky, so it fits nicely in your makeup bag. The bottle feels sturdy, and I appreciate that Eyeko's focus on the quality of the packaging reflects the quality of the product inside. It's also lightweight, which makes it easy to carry around if you want to keep it handy for quick reapplications. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, let's talk about customer support. I didn't need to contact Eyeko directly for this product, but based on their reputation, I can tell that they are known for good customer service. I've seen reviews from others who've had positive experiences with their support team, and that's always a reassuring thing to know when you're investing in beauty products. As far as updates go, there haven't been any major ones since I started using the product. The formula seems to be the same, and honestly, I wouldn't change a thing. If you're looking for cheaper alternatives, there are a few options out there, But I'd recommend trying Eyeko first if you're serious about long-lasting shimmer. There are certainly budget-friendly shimmer options available, but you might find that they don't hold up as well as this one does. So, to wrap it all up, Eyeko's Spellbound Shimmer Eye Set is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a high-performance shimmer that won't fade or smudge throughout the day. It's ideal for those who love a little extra glow and need a product that can stand the test of time. If you're someone who likes a bold, beautiful shimmer, I definitely recommend giving this one a try. Thanks for tuning in. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.